Okay, so today I want to talk a little bit about this idea that I have, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to explain it because I really don't like doing lots of videos. So I try to do this in the first cut or the second cut, and this is the second cut. I have really paid attention lately, and especially since I started homeschooling our daughter, like real homeschool, not just school at home during the pandemic, is that we have a society, and I guess this has been since the Industrial Revolution, where we've been on this conveyor belt. And we're on that conveyor belt in many aspects of our lives. Whether, and not everybody is, but I'm just saying, like, politics, food, health, organized religion, community, right? So something that I've been looking at an artist as an artist who is communicating points of view and or asking questions to the viewer or engaging the public, it has to be off of that conveyor belt. Well, it doesn't have to be. When you're off the conveyor belt, you are tapping into something is deeper and more personal. And if you believe, I'm a believer, you are connecting with a higher power or just something deeper that comes deep down and inside. And you can't find that on the conveyor belt. So getting off of the conveyor belt allows you to look at any topic in an organic way. And that takes bravery because we know that most people are on the conveyor belt. I'm sure I'm on the conveyor belt. I'm on and off and on and off. But my message today is about where you're going to find the deepest waters of your soul are not on that conveyor belt. They are off the conveyor belt. Off the conveyor belt and looking at things and asking questions from your own 2 feet, standing in the world from your point of view. I think that's it. I hope you have a great day.